Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your HyperX Cloud 3 wireless headset to PS5 in 2026. Now, first of all, you need to insert the USB wireless dongle into one of your PS5's USB ports. The console will automatically detect it as a USB headset. Now, after doing so, you just have to press and hold the power button on your headset until it turns on. It should automatically pair with the dongle within a few seconds. Now, when it does, you just have to go to the settings of your PS5. Afterwards, go to the option of sound. Inside it, you just have to look for the option of audio output. So inside audio output, you need to select output device and input device as HyperX Cloud 3 wireless. Then scroll down and look for the option that says output to headphones and make sure that it is selected to all audio. Now this ensures both the sound and the voice chat go through your headset. After that, you need to go to the sound again and this time select the option of volume. So after selecting the volume, you can adjust the headphone volume and the microphone level. Just make sure that your mic input is clear and not too low. Finally, you can test your setup by joining a party or opening a game, and you can check if you can hear the audio, if others can hear your microphone as well. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.